dsDNA antibodies are less than 4, inflammation's normal, all of her counts are back to normal, no more protein in her urine. She's fine in 3 weeks. It's been a real pleasure spending time with you, and good luck with everything. Please stay in touch with me, okay?
I will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Bye. So I just finished talking to a lady who was diagnosed with lupus a couple of years ago after having her child. And a lot of times women develop lupus after having a baby. And she was really sick with it. She was in a lot of pain. She had no energy. She was in so much pain, she couldn't pick up her baby. She couldn't roll over in bed. And she went to the doctor and they kept piling up medicines, but she was getting worse and not better. Now, somebody online made a comment about me. And she said she ended up watching an interview that I did, and she cried through the interview and she got really hopeful. And so she started adding smoothies to her life, and she started adding more raw vegetables. However, she still kept eating the food she was addicted to, sausages and cheese and all that kind of stuff. And she got her labs drawn, and her labs looked just as bad as before. And then she kind of lost hope and went, well, maybe it's not working for me. And so she made an appointment with me. Well, leading up to our appointment, she decided, well, if I'm going to see Dr. Goldner, I might as well go all in. So she gave up all the meat, all the dairy, just started doing only small smoothies and broccoli. And she just a little bit of veggie soup in the morning for her tummy because she said it helped. But all smoothies and broccoli all day, high omega-3s, gallon of water a day. And guess what? She just got her labs 3 weeks later, right before seeing me, and her labs are normal. dsDNA antibodies are less than 4, inflammation's normal, all of her counts are back to normal, no more protein in her urine. She's fine in 3 weeks. So now she's really excited. She made the appointment before that. So now we were just talking about, well, since you're already doing so well, keep doing what you're doing. Let's make sure that this stays this way. Now we're planning for the future. More kids. How to make her family become plant-based. Now there's hope for the future, right? So if you're one of those people that like, oh, it's not working for me because I'm drinking smoothies and then you're still eating all this other crap, time to pay attention to it. It does work. You've got to be committed to it. It's not convenient. It's not always easy, but it sure is worth it. I'm so excited for her, and I'm excited for you too. Make sure you go ahead and you go after your health 100%.